New NotebookLM update is insane. Right now, you can drop a big messy pile of notes into NotebookLM and get back a podcast, or a video, or a full slide deck in just a few clicks. That part is real and working today. But the team behind NotebookLM just teased the next step, and it's a big one. Soon, NotebookLM will take your own files and hand you back brand new files in lots of different formats, built straight from your own stuff. So this isn't a small tweak. This is NotebookLM growing from a study buddy into a little file factory. You feed it your sources, it feeds you finished work, and there's a very good chance this lands right on top of the new Gemini 3.5 Flash brain. Google showed off Gemini 3.5 Flash at its big I/O show on May 19th, and it's the new default model rolling out across the Gemini app and search. It runs about 4 times faster than the model before it, so you get more file types made way quicker. Let me back up for 1 second because the speed of all this is the real story. A year ago, NotebookLM was mostly known for one trick, the podcast trick. You'd upload your notes and 2 AI voices would chat about them like a real show. People loved it. A lot of folks thought that was all it did, but that was never the whole thing. The team kept shipping fast, quietly. Now they've got a whole shelf of tools sitting inside what they call the studio panel: audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, slide decks, infographics, data tables, reports, flashcards, quizzes, all made from your sources, all grounded in what you gave it so it doesn't make stuff up. And just a few days ago, on June 3rd, they added 3 more on the phone app: briefing docs, study guides, and blog posts. The same day, the team said mind maps and save notes are coming to phones soon too. See the pattern? Every few weeks, a new way to turn your sources into something useful. This file teaser is just the next rung on the ladder. So what does files in many formats actually mean for you? Think about it like this. You've got a folder full of stuff: notes, PDFs, a few docs. Right now, you can ask NotebookLM questions about all of it. Soon, you'll be able to say, give me this as a clean document, or give me this as a sheet, and it just does it in the format you asked for. Quick example. Say you run a small group like the AI Profit Boardroom. You could drop in your welcome notes and ask it to build one tidy guide for brand new members. So why now? Why is this happening this year and not 2 years ago? It comes down to the brain running the show. NotebookLM doesn't think on its own. It runs on Google's Gemini models. Back in December, Google swapped it onto Gemini 3, replacing the older Gemini 2.5 Flash model. That was a big jump in how well it reads and understands your stuff. Then in May, at I/O, Google showed Gemini 3.5 Flash. Here's the simple way to picture Flash. Think of 2 workers. One is super smart but slow. One is almost as smart but really fast. Flash is the fast one. And the new Flash beats the older, bigger Gemini 3.1 Pro on a bunch of tests while running about 4 times faster. Why does speed matter for making files? Because building a real document with the right layout takes work. The faster the brain, the more of that work Google can hand you all day long for free. So a fast brain plus a FileMaker is the combo that makes any format actually doable. And Google already said an even stronger model is on the way. Gemini 3.5 Pro is slated to follow in June 2026. So this whole thing is moving quick. In a minute, I'll show you the one setting most people skip that makes these outputs way better. But first, let me show you how far the studio stuff has already come, because it tells you where the file feature is headed. Take the video tool. It started as plain narrated slides. Now there's a cinematic version. It uses 3 AI models working together: Gemini as the creative director, Nano Banana Pro for the pictures, and Veo for the video itself. You give it your notes and it makes a smooth narrated video from your own words. Now think about that same power, but pointed at documents instead of video. That's the leap that's coming. The same engine that builds a video from your sources can build a doc, a sheet, a brief, whatever shape you need. So who's actually leaning on all this? Loads of people. Stephen Johnson, the author who's been on the NotebookLM team since the start, calls it a tool for understanding things. Josh Woodward, who runs the team, has been posting each new piece as it ships, like in April when they put NotebookLM right inside the Gemini app and let you load 100 sources for free. Creators are all over it too. Jeff Su, a productivity guy a lot of people follow, said the studio panel turned NotebookLM from a simple question box into a real production tool. That's the whole shift, from ask it a question to have it make the thing. Okay, that setting I promised. When you make a report, don't grab the basic format at the top. Scroll down to the suggested formats instead. NotebookLM reads your sources and suggests the best shape for them, and those are way sharper than the generic ones. Small move, big difference in the output. And look, this isn't just for students or researchers. Quick example again, you could feed it your past member questions and ask for a simple FAQ doc you hand to everyone who joins the AI Profit Boardroom. Now, I get the skepticism. We all hear this changes everything every other week, and plenty of tools overpromise. So let me be straight with you. The slide decks it makes right now, When you pull them into PowerPoint, the slides come out as images, not easy to edit pieces. So it's not perfect yet. And the file feature itself is still a teaser. It's coming, it's not fully here for everyone today, but the direction is clear. Every month, more output types, a faster brain, more formats. The line only points one way. Here's the thing most people don't know, and it matters. NotebookLM only uses the sources you give it. That's the whole point of it. It doesn't go pull random stuff off the internet and mix it in. So when it builds a file for you, it's built from your material with citations pointing back to where each bit came from. That's why people trust it for real work. The answers stay grounded in your own documents. Why does that matter for the file feature? Because a file is only useful if you can trust what's in it. A pretty doc full of made up facts is worse than no doc at all. With NotebookLM, the file comes from your sources and you can check every line. That's a quiet superpower most people walk right past. Let me give you the picture of where this goes. Right now, your workflow has steps. You read your notes, you decide the format, you open a doc, you copy, you paste, you fix the layout, you do it again for the next format. Soon, that whole chain collapses into one sentence. Take this notebook and give me a doc, a sheet, and a deck, and you walk away while it works. That's the part worth thinking about. And the best part is what it frees up. All the time you burn formatting, copying, and pasting, you get that back, hours every week. There's another piece people miss. NotebookLM is on your phone now, not just your computer, and the new report types are showing up there too. So you could be standing in line somewhere, open the app, point at a notebook, and ask it to make you a clean brief before you even sit down. That's the kind of thing that sounds small until you actually do it. And remember, this all runs inside Google's world. Your slide decks already export to PowerPoint, your reports go straight to Google Docs, and your data tables drop right into Google Sheets. So the file feature isn't starting from zero, it's building on top of stuff that already works. They're just opening the door wider. So what should you do right now? 3 simple things. 1. Go open NotebookLM and load one project you actually care about. Just one. Don't overthink it. 2. Try the tools that already work. Make a report, make a slide deck. Use the suggested formats trick I gave you. Get a feel for it before the file update lands. 3. Get ready for the new formats. The people who already know this tool inside out will be the ones who jump on the new stuff day one. The folks who wait will be playing catch up for months. That last point is the one I really want you to hear. This stuff isn't slowing down, it's speeding up. New brain in December, new brain in May, another one coming this month. New output types almost every week. If you learn it now, you ride the wave. If you wait, the wave gets bigger and harder to catch. If you want to be ready the day this drops, come join us in the AI Profit Boardroom. We run 4 coaching calls every week where we go deep on NotebookLM, loading your sources, pulling clean files out, and building a simple system that saves you hours and helps you make more content for your business. Daily tutorials, a 30-day NotebookLM plan, a prompt library built for this exact tool. Link in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want the full process, the step-by-step notes and 100 plus AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's free. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the notes from this video in there, plus a community of 75,000 people figuring out AI together.